We have a S3 here and we'll be discussing some of the unique features provided by S3 in the call settings. So we go to the call settings. The first being the call rejection. S3 allows you to populate a auto reject list. You can add context to the list and S3 would automatically reject calls from those contacts. It's a great way to keep the unwanted contacts away. The second is the reject message. When you get a call, then you have an option somewhere down here to reject the call using a message. So when you are in a meeting or driving a car, you cannot pick up the call and answer. So you can reject the call and send an automated message to the other party, asking them to communicate via message and informing them that you are busy somewhere. I use this option quite often during my meetings. The next option is the call alert. When you place a call and the call gets answered, the phone automatically vibrates. So you don't have to place the phone on your ears to know when the call has been answered. Similarly, you have a call end vibration which would vibrate the phone when the call ends. You have a call status tone. It's a quite common feature in most of the smartphones where you get a tone when the call connects or the ends, or a minute minder which beeps after every minute. Coming to the next option is the call answering and ending option, which allows you to configure the home screen or the power screen to answer the call or reject the call respectively. The auto screen off during call feature makes use of proximity sensor in S3, and whenever you place the phone on your ears and you are making a call, it locks the screen so that no accidental input is provided by the user. The next is the accessory settings for the call. S3 has lot of accessories, and the most common is the Bluetooth accessory which most people use. So it has lot of options, like you can configure a timer after how much time should the call be automatically answered if you have a headset connected to the phone, or should you be able to make call from the Bluetooth headset even when the device is locked. Next, you have a extra volume feature. Sometimes the other person on the phone is inaudible, and you have an option called extra volume, which when enabled would boost up the volume, and so it makes the other person audible. The next feature is one of its kind. I have never seen this feature in any other phone. It's called the call sound equalizer settings. You can even configure the equalizer between the call. So you have an equalizer setting for the call sound actually. You can use one of the existing equalizers, say soft sound, clear sound, personalized for left-handed, personalized for right-handed persons, or you can even create your own equalizer. So it's quite a great feature. Coming next is increase volume in pocket. When you have placed S3 in your pocket, the S3 sensors automatically detect the same and it automatically increase the volume of the ringtone so it's audible to you and you can pick up the call. The call forwarding function is quite common, so we are skipping it. In the additional settings, I found one interesting feature which says the noise reduction. When there is a lot of background noise happening from the caller side, it tries to remove the noise and tries to provide you a clear audio. So it's quite a good feature. Other features are the common ones, like for the video calls, getting the video in the screen or not, and we have voicemail settings, we have different account settings for the internet. So you can see there are many unique features provided by the S3 under the call settings.